Hello, I'm Errol at home, and today I'm showing how I converted my old Langstroth hives into a long hive or a long lang. 5 boxes are the most I've ever needed in a hive so far, so that is the length I've used. I've used concrete planters to raise the hive up and put macrocarpa sleepers on, which I've coated with linseed oil to protect from the weather. For this project I'm reusing hive boxes I've had for years. They are rather weather beaten, so I'm coating them with grapeseed oil. Linseed oil will be fine for the sleepers, but smells too strong to have on the hives themselves. Paraffin dipping and painting seems to be considered best practice for box longevity, but I'm using what I have. I unscrewed 3 boxes completely and removed one side from the other 2 boxes. I used strips of 30mm by 10mm pine and stainless steel screws to join the ends of the hives together into planks for the front and back of the long hive, each plank being 3 ends long. Ants have been a problem with my hives. They live on the crown board and steal resources from the hive, so I've bought anti-ant feed. The base cup will be filled with oil to prevent the ants from crossing into the hive, and there's a little roof to stop the rain from lifting the oil out. I put a pen mark on the drill bit to give me a depth guide. The bolt goes into the hole, the lid screws on, and then the cup. To give the sleepers stability, I screwed the side panels from one of the hive boxes to each end. It will be a good place to rest any frames I take out, and a place to put my tools and hive record while I check the bees. Once everything was level, I put sunflower oil into the cups. I don't think the type of oil matters, it was what I could most easily spare. The next step was taking the risers off the 5 baseboards. The risers were reattached so they would join the bases together all the way around the outside. Along the length of the front, I cut 45-degree angles to create doorways, which can be opened either side of the queen excluder when I've made one. The nails at the center of each piece of riser allow them to swivel. It also means I have the flexibility to use this hive as a series of nukes, or I could double queen it, which I'd like to try sometime. One of the advantages of a long hive is being able to expand the brood compartment or the honey compartment one frame at a time. There were some risers left over, so I cut one down to form the top bar and cut down one of the spare sides and screwed them together to make a follower board. The frames from the 2 brood boxes were moved across from the hive. Then I rearranged them so the frames with brood in were clustered together and near the entrance at the end of the hive. I put their autumn mite treatment strips in and closed the hive up with crown boards. The bees are in the left-hand side and fill 2 boxes, so there are 3 empty boxes on the right for them to expand into next spring and summer. I will make a queen excluder, but that will be another video. The roof is a single sheet of mini corrugate. It's much lighter than normal corrugated iron, and it's held in place with galvanized straps. It went smoothly. Things fell over, kept pinging out of place, fell off, got bent, wouldn't saw through, pinged out of place, fell off more, but I think it's been worth it.